Here is how to fix the missing Instagram repost button. So this issue can be frustrating because the repost feature helps your post reach a wider audience or help you share specific post on Instagram that you like among your friends and followers. So in order to fix this problem, tap on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top right to go to settings. Now from the settings menu, you need to go ahead and search for how others can interact with you. And then select the option of sharing and reuse that is under comments and restricted. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll get the section of allow people to share your post and reels. Then simply toggle the switch of repost on post and reels. You can also go for stories as well and toggle the switch. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.